All right, I'm gonna try to keep it civilized over here, but at the same time, though, Samsung, what in the fuck is this shit, my nigga? So I want to go and react to Galaxy Impact a day after it went ahead and happened. So this is actually, what's today right now? July 12th, so they just announced everything yesterday. So they went ahead and announced the Z Fold 6, the Flip 6, they announced the Galaxy Ring, they announced the Galaxy Watch, and then they also announced the new Galaxy Buds, which we're gonna talk about for sure. Cause I was hoping we was gonna get something like this, or maybe even the Galaxy Buds Live, but what we got instead was not this. All right, so let's look at the new Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6 over here. So I got the Z Fold 5, well, I had the Z Fold 5 anyway, and then Samsung actually offered me retail when I sent it in for repair, so I was like, bet, I'll just take that. And I paid like $21.50 for that phone, bro. Like, that shit was not cheap, so of course I'm gonna take it, especially now with the Z Fold 6. So looking at the Z Fold 6, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty underwhelmed, man. Like, I'm looking around here, they upped the price, and I ain't even really see that much change in here. So for one, check this out, right? We got Galaxy AI. Woo! I got that in my Z Fold 5. We got what they call Galaxy Z Assurance. So I don't think it's gonna be anything like the Galaxy Fold Concierge that we had when the first Fold came out, which I wish we would get that back. But I mean, it ain't too bad, I guess. So we got Galaxy AI again. So that's literally all they can offer right now. It's just Galaxy AI, just software. And then the last picture is just the phone itself. So now they do got some new things over here. Like they got a new thinner design. They got like this more like kind of flat design and whatever else. But like at the same time though, like it's not that big of a deal, man. Let me call you back cause that's why.
Oh, okay, bye.
All right. Ashley, you made it onto my YouTube channel. You happy now? But yeah, I'm seeing all this stuff on the website and I'm not seeing really nothing new over here, bro. So again, I'm just underwhelmed and I'd rather just keep my Z Fold 5 and that's really how I felt about the Z Fold 4 too. The Z Fold 3, I think I even felt like that too. Now, the Z Fold 2 to the Z Fold 3, that was an upgrade. But like right now, the 3, 4, and the 5, 6, feel the same. Now let's see what's up with the Z Fold 6 over here. So the Z Fold 6, we got new colors and everything that too, obviously. But like at the same time though, are you really gonna pay that much for a new color? Let's keep it a buck, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie, the carbon fiber is clean though. But again, I'm not spending $12, $19, $99 for carbon fiber on my phone, bro. No, get fuck out my face with it. Now, I still only go up to 512 gigs. Now, let me go over here to the Z Flip 6 page and let's check out everything. So again, we got slim and compact design. I don't really know if they really thin that out or whatever else, but everything seems pretty much the same. We have like some new outside screen features it look like, so that's cool. We got Galaxy AI again. I swear to God, if they advertise that and one more thing, I'm gonna lose my shit. The only thing I see really worth noting is that obviously we got a new processor and whatever else, but we got a 50 megapixel camera, so that's decent. Now, we still don't got a wide, ultra wide, and telephoto, but at the same time, no, I like that. And then, like I said, if you want to go and pre-order the Z Flip 6, it's gonna run you $1,100. So that's $100 more than it used to be, because Samsung was stuck on that $1,000 for a minute. So this year, they finally upgraded that price, man. I don't know, it sucks, but it is what it is, man, inflation. But that and the Z Fold 6, just seemed just dry, man. I'm not gonna lie. There's still no Samsung decks to this day with the Flip, bro. Come on. Next up, let's go and talk about that Apple Watch Ultra. I'm sorry, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And my God, it do look like an Apple Watch, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Look, at Samsung, I don't know what's been going through with y'all, but like, this like Chinese CEO or whatever Korean Chinese knockoff CEO that y'all got now, he gotta go. Cause I swear to God, that new Temu DJ Cole's gonna run that company into the ground if y'all don't get rid of him ASAP. Cause right now, they chasing me away as a customer right now. I got my Tab S9 Plus over here. I got all my Samsung stuff. Y'all know me already with this. But at the same time, though, I got T-Mobile on here on my iPhone 15 Pro, and that is my main carrier. But look at the Apple, see, look, I'm fucking up. I didn't even mean to do it that time. But look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra, bro, I'm telling you. So this looks exactly like an Apple Watch Ultra if it was circular. Let's keep it a buck, right? They copied the orange button, they copied the band. It's just like, they need some inspiration for themselves, not Apple. And I bet it'll be a nice watch. But at the same time, no, it don't rub me the right way that this looks exactly like an Apple Watch. I don't want an Apple Watch knockoff if I could just get the real thing. I got it in my room. And to this day, I still don't like Wear OS. I still like Tizen better on my Galaxy Watch, so I just wear my original Galaxy Watch still. Now, I do look like you got some pretty good features though, so it look rugged and everything, and then look like we got some pretty long battery life, so I wish, again, if it was Tizen, it would probably be longer. But at the same time though, I'm looking at this and like, if it didn't look like the Apple Watch, and I swear to God, I'm being 100 with this, I would probably get it. You got, take a guess, Galaxy AI in the watch. Now, I'm not hating on Galaxy AI. It's actually pretty cool, and I do like the features up on there. But bro, Why are y'all selling this as a new feature with these devices as if I couldn't get it in something like this? They literally pushed out an update, which I'm glad they did that, by the way. But at the same time, though, they literally pushed out an update like if I get this, I'm gonna get it? No. And then we got the Galaxy Watch 7 over here, which look more in line with like the Galaxy Watch 4 and whatever else that they already had, so this looks decent. But again, though, that Watch Ultra, y'all getting clowned the fuck out of that on Twitter. I seen that. And now, let's go and talk about them Galaxy Buds 3 Pros, or just the Galaxy Buds 3 in general. I really don't even want to talk about this shit, but guess what? Here I am. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with Galaxy AI. I don't give a fuck about the Galaxy AI. Look at these AirPods over here, shit This shit is garbage. This shit look like some shit like if I was on Temu looking up the AirPods clones. At this point, I would rather get the AirPods clones. Now, I'm over exaggerating at this point, but like, bro, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, I couldn't imagine where they got the inspiration from. At this point, they out here like OnePlus with their AirPods clones over here. I do not like that stem, and these work perfectly fine without that stem, so why y'all gotta go to it now? Oh, wait, hold up a minute, bro. I couldn't imagine why. Maybe Apple, some shit like that, maybe? Yeah, I think so. Now, we have a blade light. Who cares? We have a blade light. Okay, we got windshield, swipe, pinch control. We got all this stuff over here, and I bet the sound is probably decent, but at the same time, no. I don't want no AirPods clones in my head. I would just get AirPods Pro. I'm sure it sounds better than AirPods Pro, but it look exactly like the AirPods, so why would I get that? And as you can tell right now, I'm very frustrated right now with Samsung because this don't make no sense to me. Why are they doing this? Like when I saw the leaks on this thing, I thought it was a joke for real though. I swear to God, I thought it was a joke. I was like, if Samsung come out with this, I'm done. I don't even know what to do. And I still don't know what to do right now. So they got the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro. And they got two different colors. So they got silver and white. Now, I'm not gonna lie. The silver do look decent, like for real though. But at the same time though, still look like AirPods. You can't get around that. And this is coming from the dude that defended Samsung heavy. Like I was still always honest, but at the same time though, y'all know me, I'm the Samsung dude. Like that's just how it is. But it feel like every single product release and every single thing that they do just kind of just slowly diminishes me back to like over here to Apple. Not back to, but still. But bro, why? All I want to know is why. The Temu DJ code is running that company to the ground, bro. Like, bring back the real DJ code where we got stuff like this. And then last up, let's go and talk about something that I'm actually interested in. I think I might go ahead and pick up, but for that price, I don't know. That's kind of steep. So the Galaxy Ring. So the Galaxy Ring with Galaxy AI, who would have known? The Galaxy Ring, they actually announced, I think I want to say it maybe earlier this year. Did they announce it earlier this year? I think something like that, right? So this thing is kind of like a health and fitness ring. So it's a smart ring, and like, I never really heard nothing about smart rings until like kind of started getting up in traction recently. But now Samsung got their own thing, and they work with Samsung Health. Obviously it's very integrated and whatever else. You get your heart rate, you get all that important stuff with it. You can track your sleep too, which I would way rather track my sleep on something like a smart ring than like, I was gonna say this, but this ain't even a smartwatch. So yeah, I would say something like a smartwatch. I can't do it because it's just too much on my wrist. But apparently you get up to 7 days of battery life on there too, which is actually better than I thought. Now damn, that was quick. They already sold out of 2 colors out here. So we actually got a free sizing kit, so I can go and do that. I don't even know my ring size, so I'll just go ahead and do that. But for $400, I don't know, man. This is actually kind of the only Samsung thing that I'm interested in getting right now. And that's Galaxy Unpacked right there. So I'm not gonna lie, man. I think this is probably like the saddest Galaxy Unpacked that I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is crazy. It just feels like an Apple clone event, and I don't like that. That's not the Samsung that I know. The Samsung I know is innovating on things like the Galaxy Fold and whatever else. Even though it broke initially, it was still innovative. And we got all this dope shit from Samsung, and now I see this, and I'm just like, damn, for real, that's it, bro. The Galaxy AirPods, I'm definitely not buying that. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, I'm gonna have to think about that. And the Z Flip 6, I don't even know about that either. Right now though, I'm not gonna lie, I'm literally just using my S20 Ultra, and it's working perfectly fine for me. It ain't getting updates no more, but it's still cool to use. It's like, I got the 100 megapixel camera or whatever else. 108, that's my bad. You got the 100 times zoom. Like, this is actually a pretty decent phone in 2024. I should do a video on that. But Samsung, I do not like the way y'all going for real though. Like, y'all could disagree with me, but this is just me coming from the Samsung dude that bought all this Samsung stuff, right? I got the TV, I got the Galaxy Tab, I got the Galaxy Buds. I even, like, did I ever have the Samsung camera before? No, I didn't. I mean, my nigga, I got a Samsung robot vacuum over there. Let's keep it a buck, okay? This new Samsung, I'm not getting with it, so I hope they do better next year. But for right now, though, I'm about to go and get up out of here, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through, and I know the videos ain't really been out there like that, but I got a whole list of videos to do. So y'all stay tuned, though, man. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go subscribe, and go follow me on my social media at ECTech on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And I got videos to do, and I might have a Galaxy Ring to buy, so if y'all want to see me cover something like this, like any of their stuff, let me know in the comments below, because right now, I don't got no interest in it. But But y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. But for right now, I'm gonna get up with y'all later, man. Peace out.